There we have it. Grilled lamb and loin chops, grilled mushrooms, got a chimichurri sauce, and a green salad. Hello, my friends. This is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I am in my kitchen. Just a little bit of a tease for you today. I'm going to be cooking these lamb loin chops. I've got them marinating in some olive oil, lots of garlic, rosemary, and thyme with some salt and pepper. I'm going to cook them on the grill to a perfect medium rare, and this is what's for dinner. This is a very simple recipe. No measurements, just what you like. You like garlic, put lots in there. You like rosemary, put lots in there. You like thyme, put lots in there. Salt and pepper to taste. When I put them on the grill, and it's going to be on a gas grill, excuse my charcoal wood fans out there. However, gas works for me today. I'm going to do a quick sear on each side. That's going to be approximately a minute to two to get some nice char on there. And then I'm going to move them over to indirect heat and get them up to a temperature of about 125-ish inside. And once it hits that, I'm going to pull it off and let carry over, cook it to 130-ish. And that will be it. Very simple. There we have it. Grilled lamb and loin chops, grilled mushrooms, got a chimichurri sauce, and a green salad.